So in this video I'll show you simply how to use the magic select tool in Paint 3D. So let's bring our image, go to your menu and then open or browse, go to browse here, and let's browse the image that we want to import. So I'll import this image here. It's a very simple image that we can use the the magic select tool to remove the transparent or the background or the foreground. So we have our simple image here. Select your magic select tool. Now drag the sides here to where you want the magic tool to be affected at, and then click on select. Next. Click on next. So we have it has outlined the places or the foreground from the background, so we can add or remove the places where we want to remove our background or the foreground at. So in this here we can see there is a small portion here where it hasn't selected, so we click on add and then we drag here for it to be selected, and it's going to select that part in addition to what we have. So as you can see, it has been selected, and this part as well, it has not also been selected. When we drag, clicking the add button, when we drag the part here which hasn't been selected, adds it to it. This also applies. This one is also not selected, so we do the same thing for that, and here as well. So wherever you see a portion where it hasn't been selected in addition to your foreground or background, just click the add and then click and drag for it to add it to the selected image that you want to cut out. So now we have our selected image here. Now we can click done. If there's a portion that you want to remove, for example, I want to remove this portion here, click on the remove button and then just drag a little, and it's going to make a small mark, and it's going to remove that portion. As you can see, it has removed it. So now when we are satisfied with what we have, we can just click done, and done is going to remove the foreground from the background. And this is how to easily remove background in Paint 3D. So we have our image here. Just click our image and drag it to this point. Now we have our foreground here. You can just simply click and drag and select all of this and then delete. Now that we've deleted this, can drag or select our image here and then drag it to our canvas. So yes, this is how to simply remove or use the magic select tool in Paint 3D, and it helps us in creating or removing the background or the foreground. So yes, if you enjoyed this video, please kindly subscribe and like, and let me know what you want to know in Paint 3D. Thank you. Peace out.